Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am mrbobvin or Malika. Hold on. And in today's video, this is, as you can tell from the title, going to be a yarn destash. I have the bucket right here of all the yarn we're going to be selling. And yeah, so my sisters aren't quite ready yet. I just wanted to get my intro over with. So of course you guys should know we're going to dump the yarn out, sort it out, organize it. We're not gonna pack it up because every time we pack it up we end up having to like dump it out because some people order more than order more yarn. So we're just going to take pictures and all that stuff. You guys should know the drill by now. And then as you guys know, once this video is posted, the yarn will be 100% ready to be bought, and that's it. I think I was running because I'm tired. But yeah, let me wait for my sisters to come so we can organize it and get it together. We're actually going out to eat today. It's Mother's Day. I mean, Mother's Day. And yeah, we wanted to get it done before we go out to eat, so I don't know why my sisters are taking so long. But let's get it. Hello, my name is mrbobvin, and my camera makes me look like I am sunburnt, even though it doesn't show up in editing.
And here's my iris top, link down below.
Copydolls.com. It's out today, May 8th, 2021.
2022.
Oops, 2022.
I almost
My bad.
with it, and then my brain was like, no. Yeah, guys, this is my iris top that I made. I followed Malika's pattern, and this camera does make us look sunburned.
Right? Like, look at me.
But like when she exports it and stuff,
yeah,
we don't
fun.
look sunburned. So people be like, what are you talking about? And we're like, we look sunburned.
And it makes me look even more because I'm darker.
Yeah.
See, you don't look that sunburned.
All right, T.
You guys ready? I'm tired of waiting on you.
What do you mean? We're waiting on you.
No.
Whoa, that's a cute bag. Where'd you get that? Where did you get that? What the?
Oh, the love stitch?
Oh,
Love
yeah,
stitch.
just like mine.
See, Madam.
She's rushing us, and she was the one late. You're the one late.
Yeah.
Who was in here just now?
Me.
Nope. The twins.
Oh, you can't even see me.
Can't even see y'all.
Anyway, okay, time to dump it. This is actually heavy. Oh my gosh.
Whoa, what the heck?
Ta-da. Okay, so we actually, let me just, I was getting ready to explain, but let me just organize it first and then I can explain what we have. Yeah, so let's get to organizing. Let me put this up here so you can see that. Perfect. All right. So we have 3 new packs of Lion Brand yarn. There are 3 in each one. Then we have still individual new ones. I have no idea why we have so many of these.
Because I bought them for a tapestry project and I never did it, and so
Wow.
I forgot about it for months.
Good job. So then we have the petite wool. We have that many of this. Then we have a million. This is me. This is my fault. We have 20 of these because
20?
Yeah, 20 total. Because I was supposed to, no, actually I was gifted this yarn by Hobie and I made a tiny headband and I used like literally like this much of it. Yeah. Then we have Drops Air. That tiny scrap bundle, and then this is what?
Unicorn
yarn. Yeah, that.
Chunky by Weird Knitter.
Something like that. So we have that. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're just going to separate it because we don't want like a big bundle. So now we're gonna have to count it and see like what would be fair for everyone to get, and then that's basically it. Then I'll take pictures and yeah. So let's get it.
I'm gonna.
Okay guys, so we're gonna have 3 drops air, 3 drops air, that's gonna stay together. Then we have 5 of each, so 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 but 5 in each bundle. Then that's a bundle. I just put these with this scrap, so that's a bundle. And then we have 5, 4, and then 3, 3, 3, and 3. So that's how it's going to be. Everything is back in the box because we have organized everything, priced it, and so now all we have to do is just put it up on the site. So we'll do that when we get back from going out, and then that will be it. So see you then. Okay guys, so they're all listed now and they are ready to be dropped at 7 tomorrow. Well, technically today for you guys, but it's all up here, so we have it on the site and it is ready. I literally just said that. But anyway, that it's the next day, by the way. I did not get to put it up yesterday because I didn't want to. Yeah. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.